term that if you've been around banking, know your customer.
Yep.
Came out after the Patriot Act, something that basically so the federal government could track the money flow.
Yep.
Money laundering, anti-money laundering, anti-terrorism. But you guys have taken that term to mean something slightly different, which is know your carrier.
Yep.
And so talk a little bit about what that is.
Yeah. So know your carrier. When we think about, in payments, it's all digital. It's all ones and zeros, right? So where is someone interacting digitally? The challenge when you bring a motor carrier into it is there's a physical capability component, right? And so when we think about that disconnection, right, you can sometimes verify who a user is digitally. And so when we think about the three pillars of KYC as it relates to a carrier, we think about who the user is, right? So authenticity, right? Are they an authentic user? Are they authorized? So even if they're a user at a motor carrier, are they actually authorized to act on behalf of that carrier, right? Have they been verified by the owner? And then the third leg is capability. And that's where it gets fun. Because you have to know whether a carrier can actually move the thing that they're claiming to move. You have to know if that thing is actually insured, if that truck is actually insured. And that's where the world starts to come up, right? When you think about owner operators and all of the gray areas. And so when a carrier is willing to operate in the light, they'll show a broker who they are. Say, hey, here's my trucks. They'll connect an ELD. We get the VIN off of their insurance policy. And then what happens is you can actually help a carrier move faster. Because just like we experience in commerce, you can actually help target them, direct them to the freight that they most want to move. And so that's the KYC piece for us. It's not just the digital piece, but their physical capability.
So it's knowing who the carrier is, knowing that they have the right registrations. But you're saying that actually verifying the insurance capabilities,
Yep.
the insurance allowances, whether this truck can truly respond if there is a problem. Like inevitably, crime's going to happen.